Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome to Ask Brian Chow. Today, we're going to discuss about how to create multiple subtotal for an invoice. For certain industry, example, contractor. Let's say you have received a job to do a painting job for a house, but the customer requests you to have segmentized your invoice according to which room in the house. Let's check out how SQL Accounting Software handle this situation. In SQL Accounting Software, we go to Sales, Invoice, New, select a customer, let's say Alice. Over the item level, right-click any column title, use Field Chooser, pull out two fields. First is number, then second one is more description. Just drag and drop. For first segment, let's say it's living room. Do not key in any item code description or number. Go to more description, key in living room. You can highlight it, make it bigger, bold it, underline. Do not save, just close, and when it asks save changes, yes. Then second row, you put in number 1, you select painting job for your own service item. Plus again, second item, we select paint A. So paint A, I want to put in more description for paint A. Let's say it's color white. Okay, so we have 2 items for living room, and I want to put in a subtotal. The formula is at description, put R minus. Then plus again, let's say this one, I want to put is master bedroom. Highlight, put 12, row underscore, close it, save. And plus, let's say this one is number 3. Painting work. This one a bit expensive, let's say is 1,500. Then second, number 4, want to put paint, more description. This one is pink color. Save it again. I need a subtotal. So R minus. Save this. Preview. You need to have a customized format. You can talk to your dealer. And you can see that the invoice format is with subtotal for each section. So, and the bottom will be the grand total. Similar invoice format is very useful for certain industry, example, furniture, contractor, and so on. But do remember, it's a customized format. Charges will apply. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.